So in this question, we need to find the area of hexagon, and each side of the hexagon is 4.8 centimeter. So each side of the polygon is 4.8, which means that this is a regular polygon. All sides are equal. For us to get the area of this polygon or the hexagon, we need to come up with triangles. If we join the vertices of the hexagon to the center, we are going to form a number of triangles that is equivalent to the number of sides of the polygon. So if we have done that, which is the center here, we find that we are going to get 6 triangles. So what we are required to do is we just need to get the area of one triangle and multiply by 6. How do you do that? What we need to do first is get the size of each angle, each interior angle of the polygon, because the sum of all the angles is given by n minus 2 multiplied by 180, which means that n is the number of sides of the polygon. So hexagon has 6 sides, so we get 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. This is going to give us 720 degrees. So to get one angle, the size of one angle is the same as 720 divided by 6, which is equivalent to 120 degrees. So each angle here is going to be 120, but these lines are going to divide the 120 into 2 equal halves, which means this angle is 60, this one will be 60, and that one is also 60. So all these triangles inside the polygon are going to be an equilateral triangle. What we need to do now is that get the area of one equilateral triangle and multiply by 6. An equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So if we remove one of the triangles where all sides are 4.8 centimeter and all the angles are 60 degrees, we can be able to use the formula I have AB sine theta, where AB is the side of the triangle, 4.8 times 4.8 times sine of 60 degrees. This is the same as 2.4 times 4.8 times, if you use calculator and find sine 60, that's equivalent to 0.8660. This will automatically give us 9.98 approximately. So this is equivalent to the area of one triangle, but because we have 6 triangles in the hexagon, the area of the hexagon, it will be 6 multiplied by 9.98, which is equivalent to 59.88 centimeter squared.